Have you ever eaten deep fried and seasoned delicious cockroaches? Would you consider some yummy, crunchy and flavorful grasshoppers for tea? Wait till you get to Thailand. Did you know insects are considered a delicacy in Thailand? And Thailand is the only South Asian country not to have been colonized by Europeans. I'm Todi, stick with me and let's learn more interesting and shocking facts about Thailand as we enjoy Julie's tasteful cooking. You can find out more about Julie's love story in Tales from Myton in the description. We missed out on the insect delicacy. You may want to try this out. The recipes are captured in pictures in this video, and as you enjoy the process, not necessarily in order, let's learn more about Thai cooking and culture. Did you know the importance of emotional and cultural intelligence? Find out more in that video in the description in the meantime. Here are 10 interesting facts about Thai cuisine. Thai cuisine varies significantly by region. For example, khao soi, a coconut curry noodle soup, is popular in the north but hard to find in the south. Many Thai cooking techniques such as stir frying and deep frying were introduced by Chinese immigrants. 3. Almost every Thai dish includes sugar, even savory ones. 4. Thai, especially traditional homes, rarely have ovens. Most dishes are fried, grilled or steamed. 5. Umami, balance of flavor. Thai food is known for its balance of sweet, sour, salty, bitter and spicy flavors in each dish. 6. Insects are a common snack in Thailand. Crickets, grasshoppers, silkworms and even scorpions are often fried and sold by street vendors. 7. Durian, known as the king of fruits, is infamous for its strong odor, which is often compared to rotten onions or sewage. Despite its smell, it's a beloved fruit in Thailand and used in many dishes. 8. Khao soi, a famous northern Thai dish that combines crispy and soft noodles in a rich coconut curry broth, is less known internationally but highly revered within the country. 9. Nampla, fish sauce, is a staple in Thai cooking, used in almost every dish. It provides a unique umami flavor that is essential to Thai cooking. Wait for it, 13 shocking facts about Thai culture. 1. Thailand is the only Southeast Asian country that was never colonized by European power. 2. Thailand uses the Buddhist era calendar, which is 543 years ahead of the Gregorian calendar. 3. The Thai numerical system is unique. For example, the number 12 is expressed as 210. 4. The traditional Thai greeting, called the Wai, involves pressing the palms together and bowing slightly. 5. The king's birthday is a major national holiday celebrated with great enthusiasm. 6. The Thai monarchy is deeply revered, and insulting the king is a serious crime, punishable by long prison sentences. The national anthem is played twice a day in public spaces, and people are expected to stand in respect. 7. Some animals in Thailand, particularly those owned by the royal family, are given high status and titles. For example, royal elephants are treated with great reverence and have special privileges. Almost every Thai home and business has a spirit house, a miniature shrine to appease spirits and protect the property. Offerings of food, drinks and flowers are regularly made. The Songkran festival is a traditional Thai New Year celebrated in April with a massive water fight. People throw water on each other to symbolize cleansing and renewal. Foot and head taboos. In Thai culture, the head is considered the most sacred part of the body, while the feet are the lowest and least clean. Touching someone's head or pointing your feet at people or religious objects is considered highly disrespectful. Buddhism significantly influences Thai culture. From daily life to festivals and rituals, monks are highly respected, and many young men spend some time as monks in their lifetime. Color of the day. Thai people often wear specific colors on certain days of the week, a tradition that comes from Hindu mythology. For example, Monday's color is yellow, which is why many Thais wear yellow on Mondays in honor of the king. These aspects highlight the rich tapestry of traditions and flavors that make Thai cuisine and culture unique and captivating.
The most popular sports in Thailand include football, with a strong following for both local leagues and international matches, Muay Thai, known as the art of 8 limbs, volleyball, particularly popular among women, badminton, and sepak takraw, a traditional sport similar to volleyball but played with a rattan ball and using feet, knees, chest, and head to hit the ball. Poets like Sonton Phu, known as the Shakespeare of Thailand, famous for his epic poem Fra Afai Mani, Chirenan Pete Preacher, a contemporary poet known for her strong social messages and feminist stance, Auta, a rising star in the Thai hip-hop scene, known for his complex rap verses, BNK48, a popular Thai idol group inspired by Japan's AKB48, Bao Ki Lion, a female music producer and singer known for her husky voice and hit songs like Long Jai. There are icons like King Rama IX, revered for his contributions to music, photography, and social projects, Apichat Pong Weera Sithako, an acclaimed filmmaker known for his unique storytelling and artistic vision, Hollywood stars like Tony Jaa, a martial artist and actor known for his roles in Ong Bak and Furious 7, Chutimon Choing Charon Swing, an actress and model who gained international fame with her role in Bad Genius, Keo Pong Prayun, a boxer who won a silver medal at the 2012 Summer Olympics, Paradron Sri Japan, a former professional tennis player who reached the top 10 in the ATP rankings. Famous Thai footballers include Tirasil Dangda, a prolific striker and one of Thailand's top goal scorers, Chanathip Songraskin, known as Messi J, celebrated for dribbling skills and has played in Japan's J-League, Thirathun Bonmathan, a versatile defender who has also played in Japan, Kawin Thamsachan Nan, one of Thailand's best goalkeepers, Kiatsuk Sinamaung, a legendary former striker and coach, often referred to as Zico. Pardon my murdering the names. What aspects of Thai culture, if any, is similar to yours? Comment below. Now, Gem, if you haven't yet, consider subscribing for more interesting and captivating facts about other cultures like these. Do check the Smashing Connection playlist referenced in the description. Like, share, comment, and follow. Thanks for sticking with me.